Hi, I'm Lisa Lewtan. I'm a healthy lifestyle coach, and I'm here today to share a tool for you to use when you're worried about something. The topic we're going to use today is when you're worried that someone hasn't shown up. Maybe you have an appointment, maybe you have a date, maybe it's even a call, but they're not showing up and they're not giving you a reason why. I know this has happened to me many times and my clients and family members, so I'm guessing maybe you've experienced this in your life as well. We're going to use a tool called tapping, EFT. What I love about tapping is that it takes your body from a fight or flight, stressed out place and brings it down to a calm place. But while it's doing that, you're saying negative things that normally would keep you in that stressed out state. So your body is getting calm and recognizing that it can deal with stressful thoughts in a calm state. We always start by rating the stress. And if I'm thinking right now, I'm so stressed, I haven't heard from this person, maybe it's an 8 or a 9 or wherever it is in your life or in your mood. So I'm going to start defining the problem. Though, even though I haven't heard from this person, I'm going to explore what's really going on in my head. And even though I think something terrible happened, maybe it didn't, and I'm open to the possibility that something else happened. And now I'm going to play the worst case scenario game, and I'm going to think of all the horrible things that might have happened to this person, things that I wouldn't even dare say out loud, right? We think them, but we push them away. Well, right now we're going to bring them front and center, and we're going to just take a look at them. So I'm going to use an example of my friend was supposed to meet me for lunch. And I'm sitting there waiting and she's not there. So I'm thinking, maybe she's in a ditch somewhere and can't contact me. Maybe her phone died and she has no way of reaching me. Maybe she got the wrong date. Maybe she hates my guts and was afraid to tell me. Maybe a better plan happened. She had a better option come along. Maybe she's in a traffic jam and she can't get out and her car was left behind. Maybe she's just so sick of me and doesn't want to tell me, and maybe this happened and maybe that happened, and let your mind go crazy with everything that happened. And I have a feeling, if you're like me, if you notice, I kind of started cracking myself up because I don't think any of these things really happened. But for me, my mind goes to those places. And for many people, maybe even you, our mind goes to such crazy places. And when we don't let it, we just suppress those feelings. By taking all those negative feelings and bringing them out in the open, I'm able to really crack up, and I can say to myself, maybe she's just running late. Right? And I'm literally smiling right now because I feel all this stress melted, and it started as an 8. Now I'm feeling like a 2. I'm thinking she's just running late. It's really nothing about me at all. So this is a great tool. Again, the tapping worst case scenario game. It's very easy to use with any problem you have. Just let your mind go to the worst case scenario. And when you start noticing something change, maybe a giggle, a yawn, that's called a cognitive shift, and that means the stress has started breaking down and you're in a better place. But you can keep going until you get to that point. You'll usually know when you're there. Anyway, it's been really nice tapping with you today. I'm Lisa Lewtan. I look forward to sharing many more tools with you, and have a great day.